Can a simple device really improve your sleep and reduce stress? Meet Pulsetto, a non-invasive vagus nerve stimulator that claims to help you sleep better, relax, and alleviate anxiety-related symptoms. Before we begin this review, we've got an exclusive Pulsetto promo code just for you. Check the link in the description to get the best deal on this vagus nerve stimulator device. Now, let's talk about the Pulsetto Vagus Sleep Device. Today, I'll break down the science behind it, claimed benefits, potential cons, and whether Pulsetto is truly worth the investment. So, if you want to understand how Pulsetto actually works, first you must understand the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in the body, connecting the brain to key organs like the heart, lungs, and digestive system. It plays a crucial role in regulating the autonomic nervous system, which is your body's built-in balance between stress and relaxation. When activated, the vagus nerve helps calm the body by lowering heart rate and supporting mood regulation, making it an essential part of managing stress, anxiety-related symptoms, and sleep cycles. This is where vagus nerve stimulation, or VNS, comes in. VNS is a technique used to stimulate the vagus nerve, either through surgically implanted devices or non-invasive methods like transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation, or TVNS for short. Pulsetto claims to use TVNS to deliver gentle electrical pulses to the vagus nerve through the neck. According to the brand, this stimulation may help reduce stress, improve sleep, and overall enhance your well-being. But does Pulsetto really deliver on these promises? Let's take a closer look at its features and its claimed benefits. Pulsetto makes it easy to integrate TVNS into your routine. The device pairs with a mobile app offering 5 different stimulation programs tailored for stress, burnout, sleep, pain, and relaxation. Setup is simple. Just apply the included electrode gel, place the device around your neck, and select a program in the app. Moreover, Pulsetto stands out offering a more affordable entry point when compared to high-end medical-grade devices, which are FDA approved but primarily used for migraine relief. To be clear, Pulsetto isn't a replacement for FDA-approved medical devices. It's simply an accessible entry point for those interested in vagus nerve stimulation as a wellness tool, not a treatment for medical conditions. And finally, some users support feeling calmer almost instantly after using the device, while others notice improvements in their sleep quality over time. The idea behind Pulsetto's stated benefits is rooted in vagus nerve stimulation research. Certain research suggests that activating the vagus nerve may have an advantage in regulating stress and support the body's natural relaxation response. One study also indicates that TVNS may assist in relieving insomnia-related symptoms, which contributes to better sleep. However, there is an important distinction I want to make. Most of the studies focus on auricular or ear-based stimulation, while Pulsetto targets the neck. The scientific evidence supporting cervical or neck vagus nerve stimulation for stress and sleep is still emerging, and most studies that use neck-based stimulation are focused on migraine and headache treatment. So if we've already piqued your interest, we've got the best deal for you. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to get an exclusive discount on the Pulsetto Vagus Nerve Stimulator. Whether you're looking to improve sleep, reduce stress, or just explore the benefits of vagus nerve stimulation, Pulsetto might be worth a try. Now, before you decide whether Pulsetto is right for you, let's talk about some things to consider before buying. First off, while vagus nerve stimulation is generally considered safe, non-invasive devices like Pulsetto may cause some mild side effects. Some users report a tingling sensation, slight redness, or irritation around the area where the device is placed. Others have mentioned feeling dizzy or slightly nauseous after use, especially when trying the higher intensity levels. Furthermore, a large meta-analysis reviewing auricular vagus nerve stimulation safety also highlights that some people experience mild headaches. But the good news, these side effects, if they happen at all, are usually mild and go away on their own. And more to the point, further research on long-term use of any TVNS device is paramount. So, is Pulsetto worth it? If you're someone who's looking to improve sleep quality, reduce stress, or manage some sort of anxiety-related symptoms in a natural way, Pulsetto might be an option worth exploring. While more research is needed on neck-based vagus nerve stimulation, many users are already reporting feeling calmer and more relaxed after consistent use. And if you're ready to give it a try, we've got the best Pulsetto deal just for you. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to get the lowest price available right now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.